Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry on a Blackstone griddle. First, let's get everything ready. Begin by gathering all your fresh ingredients like chicken, shrimp, or tofu and your favorite vegetables. Chop them into consistent, bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Next, mix your stir-fry sauce in a separate bowl. Finally, preheat your griddle to a medium-high heat, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for action. Now let's get cooking. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil like avocado or grapeseed oil to the hot griddle. Start by cooking your protein, ensuring it's fully cooked and nicely browned. Once done, push it to a slightly cooler section of the griddle. Then, add your harder vegetables, such as carrots or broccoli, allowing them to cook for a few minutes before introducing softer ones like bell peppers or snow peas. It's time to bring everything together. Once your proteins and vegetables are cooked to your liking, mix them all together on the griddle surface. Now, take your pre-mixed stir-fry sauce and pour it evenly over the entire mixture. Use your spatulas to continuously toss and fold the ingredients, ensuring every piece is thoroughly coated in that delicious sauce. Continue cooking for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken beautifully. Your delicious stir-fry is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over a bed of fluffy steamed rice or your favorite noodles. For an extra burst of flavor and color, garnish with some fresh cilantro or thinly sliced green onions. Remember to clean your Blackstone griddle promptly after use for easy maintenance. Don't be afraid to experiment with different proteins, vegetables, and sauces to create your own unique stir-fry masterpieces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.